In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear wheel arch molding on your Honda Pilot. This is located in the rear of the vehicle above the wheel. Let's get started. We have two Phillips head screws on the upper portion of the arch. We can remove those using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Starting at the front of the wheel arch, we start to pull out. We have plastic clips on the back side. And there you have it. We can go ahead and slip the 2 tabs at the bottom of the arch into the bumper back here and work those in. And start pressing in along the wheel arch to install our tabs. We can go ahead and install our Phillips head screws. We can just snug those down. They don't need to be too tight. Make sure that all of your edges are fully down and your 2 screws are all the way set down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.